Yeah, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So you can see here in the BigQuery table there is no data. So what we have to do, we have to keep pushing the data into the pops up topic. By mistake I have mentioned it's Kafka topic. It is almost similar. Okay, it is just replace of the Kafka, you can say. But here in the Google Cloud you are using as a pops up. So let me go to the Kafka, the pops up topic. There you can see there is one we have to click on message, and here you have to select the topic because we have to push the data using the pops of topic. Number of messages like the let's take as one, and it's JSON format because I was just you are pushing the data like the JSON format like name, ID and age. Okay, because we have defined the schema. Okay, so that's the reason we have to like the push the data as JSON format, otherwise it will throw the error. So once data once row has been pushed, so let me just double check and query this. Yeah, you can see here in the BigQuery, you know immediately it is trying to write the data into the BigQuery because whatever the data flow you have created, that is you have created for the streaming, not as batch. Okay, so it will keep running and it will keep writing. So let me push another data like user 2, ID 2 and is 20. Okay, let me publish it. So within a second, you can say within 2 or 3 seconds, the data has been reflected in the BigQuery. Okay, it has been right to the BigQuery table. So thank you guys. So you can see in the real-time scenario, we are trying to push the data from the pops up and the